Hi everybody, Peter Taraborelli here for Stoner Car Care, and today we are in our restoration shop to test out our trim restoration, Trim Shine Ceramic, on this 2000 Chevy truck. So one of the things we need to do before we get ready to actually apply our ceramic product is clean the car. So this truck's already been washed. It was actually in the shop for a accident that it was in. So this bedside is actually completely new. The other bedside is original, and all the rest of the car is original as well. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna address some of this faded plastic trim that's all over this car, all over the bumpers, all over back here. We're gonna try and see if we can make that match the integrity and the clarity of this new paint. So as you can see, this is some very thirsty plastic. I'm already applied one coat and it's already acting like the pad's dry, but it's not. It's saturated into the pad. I'm just trying to get down here into the cracks. If it gets on the paint, no big deal. You're just gonna wipe that off with a microfiber a little later. And if you're applying it thicker, just make sure you blend the whole thing. So we're actually gonna go down here, around the bottom, and do this whole mud flap. Don't forget to get underneath as well. And try and get up inside here. Now, if you can't get the microfiber applicator up in there, you could always use a Q-tip. Just get up in here. That'll work too. And there you go. So you can see there's quite the difference just already. Now this will last for up to 5 years and darken this plastic right back up and keep it looking this way for 5+ years. That already is looking impressive. Now it still has to dry and cure for about 24 hours. While that's curing, let's see what other plastic we can make look better. Let's try these bed rails. A little more trim ceramic. Let's see. Oh, wow. Now the liner up here, where they actually sprayed the liner, that's not darkening up very much. But in the exposed plastic out here, that definitely looks better. And if that's gonna last for 5 years, I'm gonna be impressed, and I think the owner will be too, because that's quite a difference. Try the side plastic too. Now, I am using my thumb to push the pad down in there. This might be a good candidate to come back over with a Q-tip anyway. Working our way around, let's try this plastic next. A little too much down here, but blend that in. This product will self-level very easily, but it never hurts to follow up with a microfiber sponge here and just kind of give it a wipe down. It's still impregnated with it, so it's laying down more in any spaces that you forgot, but at the same time, you're just kind of knocking down any high spots, making it look uniform. That's the big thing. You can see it's faded plastic all the way around here, down underneath. And of course, you want to carefully check the breakaway sections, but you can get in here too. Don't forget, our Trim Shine Ceramic is also good for painted metal surfaces too. Now that is an impressive before and after. Just to prove that we're not making this up, let's finish the job. And with that, we are done. Now we've got 5 years of protection and restoration on this truck.